Alright guys, we're just at the car wash. We just washed the car. We're getting everything up to temp. It's looking good. Sun's out. We'll see you at the track.
So we're out here at Calder, just waiting for the roll racing to start. Got some quick evos lined up. That black one makes 360. This evo makes about 300. Then behind it we've got quick 9. This makes about 500 kilowatts, traps in the 140 mile per hour, absolute beast. Got my car making about 430, Rexxem, see the headlight duct there. And behind my car we've got Tom's car, makes about 330 kilowatts and absolutely rips. Let's go racing. So this is my first run against the FG XR6 Sprint. My mate Eden filmed it. So we get the jump and off we go. Trap 126 mile per hour. This next run's up against the VL Calais. Unfortunately the camera didn't capture the run properly, it zoomed in on my helmet, but we'll go along for the ride. Now this VL has a high mount turbo setup, so quite a quick car, but we're just waiting in the staging lane now. First pass was good, car did what it was supposed to, and now we're going to turn it up, give it the full beans, and we'll see what the car can do. So we're just waiting our turn, about to get called in. Once we get called into the lanes, pull around. So I'll pull into the staging lane now. With roll racing you go from a 40 km per hour roll. So let's wait for the signal from the starter and he'll tell us when to go. And off we go.
Woo! She's moving, baby. She's moving. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Move it, baby. Yeah! 133. She's moving. Moving, baby. Now we're talking.
As you can see, pretty pumped. 133 mile per hour. Came around the VL, he took off first. Come around him. And we're just following the track around back to the pits. Basically, that was a really good run. Super excited. Yeah. Head back to the pits and listen to a little bit of commentary from me. My excitement.
143. Shit. What a video. What the fuck? Where did that come from? Fucking top end of that layout turbo. I hope we got that on camera. Wow, cars. Wow.
Back in the staging lanes, and we're up against Tom in his car. Tom's car's being trapped at 114 to 116 mile per hour, so it should be a good matchup. We've tried a couple times to get this run happening. Just forward now. Yeah, we're trying a couple times to get this run to happen. Tom waited for me and just cut the queue and managed to line up against each other. This is the run that everyone wanted to see. Unfortunately, my cameraman, Jiv, who's holding the camera right now, his car broke. He broke an axle doing a cheeky little quarter-mile run. So unfortunately, that broke. So his car's out of action. So it's just mine and Tom's car today. Look at that beast. Tom's car's an amazing car.
It's Jerry. Just Jerry with the windows.
Yeah.
Just waiting our turn now. So he's just told us to pull into the lane. So we'll pull into the lane. Now Tom's going to pull around next to us. Is off we go. Now let's wait. The light will go green and then we'll go flat out and go. And that run we trapped a 126 mile an hour and Tom did a 114. So not a bad run. We'll let it out a little bit more, but good run nevertheless. Now this is mine and Tom's run from outside the car. Pretty even. And then I end up just pulling away from him at the end. We've got some in-car footage from Tom's car of our run. From his dash cam. So you can see the distance there that was put between us, but super fun run. Loved it, loved every minute of it. Good stuff. So I'm passenger here. I'm in Tom's car. Filming Tom's run. And Tom's up against an R33 GDST Skyline. So Tom's beast is very responsive. It's running a Blausch 1.5 turbo with an EJ207 block. Very responsive, very quick. Off we go. Pumped that 33 GDST, left him for dead. I think Tom did another 114 mile an hour. Run that one.
Let's go around him.
Couple beasts sitting right there. Very quick cars, those ones. This is the return road. Head back to the pits. Calder Park Raceway.
Can't believe how fast that fucking blew out is.
Yeah. It's wild, that thing.
Like, I think the second run I had against him, I fucking just left me for dead.
Really?
Like, it's like on standing still.
Yeah.
Pretty wild.
This is what they're made for. The circuit.
That's it.
Look at that grip.
Yeah, I took it. I did take it
another one at Tom's run, so I thought I'd film it for him. He's up against the Commodore. I think the Commodore, there's a bit of a jump on him. So it's Falcon. Tom's car scream. It's a good run.
Alright guys, we're back from Calder Park roll racing. Pretty happy with how the day went. Drove the car there, drove it home, touch wood, there were no issues on the day. Had a great time. Only did 3 runs, that was plenty for me. I missed out on the elimination final, the elimination round. Queued up too late, so they cut it off. Doesn't matter. It was good practice for next time. So of the 3 runs, yeah, they went pretty good. First run was just getting a feel for it. It did a trap speed of 124 mile an hour, which wasn't too bad. I knew that the car definitely had more in it. Basically, just let the engine do its thing, let it rev out. I need the higher rev, so I was shortchanging a little bit in first, second, third, and fourth gear, into fourth, into fifth. So second run, I thought I'd wind it out a little bit more, and sure enough, it went 133 mile an hour in the rolls. So that's obviously still you're going from about the 60-foot mark. By the time the light turns green, then it's got to spool up, and so the sign's definitely there for a solid pass once I do eventually take it down to quarter mile. But yeah, the second run was good. Top ended a VL. I think he did a 128 trap speed. I did a 133. Got pretty pumped about it. I'll have some videos up on my socials regarding that. You hear me jumping for joy. Essentially, I was pretty happy. Then the third run was against my mate Tom Jet. So he's got a black blob eye WRX converted to SDI running gear. So he makes about 330 kilowatts. Neat setup. I'll also post on my socials. I jumped in his car for another run, which was good. But yeah, basically against him, that was the final run. I had my mate Jiv with me as well, and the car did a 126 mile an hour. Pretty easy pass. I wasn't really pushing on that one. But yeah, the second pass definitely was the full beans. Let it rev out in every gear, pretty much to red line, which is just over 8K. And that's what the turbo needed to keep it in that peak power range. Don't forget, guys, I'm making peak power just over 7,000 RPM. So any rev before 7,000, I'm not in my peak power band. So yeah, really happy with how the day went. That 133 mile per hour really confirmed what I knew the car had in it. So I think that's about the max I'll be able to do at roll racing. I don't think it's definitely not a 140 mile an hour car. Maybe 135. I think the quarter mile we should definitely see a 135 if we're going from a dig and a longer distance. I think roll racing pretty much from where you start going 350 meters. I'll have to check the rules, so it's 50 meter shorter track, and it trapped 133. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Car ran smooth, drove it home. I just went and picked up some food in it. Yeah, everything was flawless today compared to when I took it out last time and snapped an axle. So happy that it's made it back in one piece. Yeah, it's given me confidence to hit up roll racing a little bit more. I think this is a quarterfinals car, definitely with the right pathway, possibly a semi-finals car. Maybe not a semi-finals car, actually. They're doing 140 plus mile an hour, but you never know. There weren't that many big boys out today. There were a few cars in the 140s, but a few of them missed out, actually. So on the day, anything can happen, but definitely a quarterfinals car. I'll definitely get past elimination rounds. Every race that I had today, the first race when I trapped 124 was against the FGX XR6 Sprint. So they make a bit of power. He was trapping about 118 mile an hour. I saw one of his later runs. He trapped about 118. So pretty much, yeah, didn't see him from the start. Once I was on, it was see you later. The second run was against a VL. He went 128 mile that run. So, you know, I've got a few mates that have had VLs in the past, and 128 definitely a 10-second pass. So, seeing me basically top end him, he actually took off a bit before me, and I was well behind at the start. He just hit it to 40 k's. He got up there quick, and pretty much that whole run, I was hunting him down. So by the time we got through the traps, I top ended him. I think I pulled up next to him in about fourth gear, top of fourth, and fifth gear. Just once I clicked fifth, it was just straight past him. So definitely happy with how it went. Got some okay footage. The 133 mile run, I did get footage of it, but the camera focused in my head. I had it sitting just here. I didn't realize when I put the helmet on it just focused in on it. So doesn't matter. We heard it. We heard how happy I was. We got the run on video, and then the first run I forgot to actually turn it on, which I was spewing about. But the second run filmed my helmet, and the third run I had my mate Jiv in the car when I went up against Tom Jet, and basically, yeah, he did the filming, got some good footage. He enjoyed it. I think it surprised him, the power. His car's making 340 kilowatts, so it's no slouch. It's definitely quick. Yeah, it was good fun. Got some good footage. Yeah, it was just an overall fun day with the boys, and I'll definitely be doing it again in a few months. Probably not the next rolls, but maybe the one after. Now I just get to cruise the car, enjoy it. I've seen what it's done, and happy days. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this journey. This journey of Rexxem going down to roll racing, and the prep work that we put in the other day. So yeah, we'll get all that content up, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did today, and we'll catch you out next time. Peace.